Here's a dirty secret that software companies don't want you to know. I actually automated half of my workflow before IT even approved a single software license. The thing is, finance automation doesn't have to start with budget approval. It can start with free tools that are sitting right under your nose. Most of them just as powerful as the paid tools. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 15 tools that are used by everybody from brand new startups all the way to the Fortune 100. These free tools will launch you on your automation journey before you even spend a dime. If it sounds too good to be true, it's not. I'm going to show you how right now. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Mike. I'm a senior finance leader, and over the last decade, I've helped teams everywhere from brand new startups all the way to the Fortune 100 automate more than 20,000 hours of work out of their workflows. And today, I want to help you do the same. In this video, I'm going to take you one by one through 15 free automation tools that will absolutely blow your mind with the capabilities. You don't have to sit around and wait for someone to give you permission to automate. You can get started saving time today. Plus, you won't just save yourself time, you'll become the go-to finance automation guru. And what finance executive doesn't love free tools? If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my free weekly newsletter, Finance Automation Insider. I'm going to send you a copy every single Thursday with tips, tricks, and hacks just like this. Also, when you sign up, I'll send you a free guide to 15 5-minute finance automations that you can get started today. A lot of them you can use with these free tools we'll go through. With all that out of the way, let's get started. And here we go with 15 free automation tools. Now, before we dive into the tools, why do free tools matter? Well, you may be thinking, Mike, they're free. That's obviously the benefit, but it's a little bit deeper than that. In most companies, budget approvals take months, but free tools take minutes. This gives you the power to take control of automation, take control of workflow, and take control of your career without asking for permission from anybody. People also love to see things in practice, and free tools give you the ability to prove value first and scale later with budget. Because once an executive can put their hands on something and really see the benefits, it's a lot easier to get budget approved. Most importantly, speed absolutely beats perfection in finance automation. This doesn't mean we sacrifice accuracy, but it means we don't need all the bells and whistles. We don't need it to look perfect. We need to move fast and iterate. And free tools let us do that because it significantly lowers the risk of development, because at that point, you're only spending your time, not time and money. Now, for the purposes of this, what do I consider free? I consider it free if it has a free forever tier, usable without a credit card. If the tool is free to author, even if it's paid to share, because you can get a lot of value out of it, both personally and as demos. I count it if it's open source or self-hosted. So there may be some kind of a cost if you don't have a way to host it, but I'm going to count these because a lot of times you can run them on your desktop or laptop. Source available, something like an N8N with permissive use, or for small business use, something that you simply can't monetize. I'm going to count that because it's free. And then platform native automation included with your account. This is things like Power Query that's already built into Excel. On the flip side, I'm not going to consider it free if there's a free trial. I only want to give you tools that are free forever. I don't want to give you tools that are useless unless you have connectors. I am going to show you some tools that have paid connectors, but have a lot of value for finance automation in their own right. If it's not useful without a connector, I'm not going to show it to you. I'm also not going to count community editions that block really core automation features. I will show you tools that have premium versions with more functions, but I'm only going to show you tools if they have sufficient features to get you moving forward in the free version. Here are 4 tools that you can use totally free to catch and move data between systems, reports, whatever you need. Our first tool is Zapier. You can get 100 tasks a month totally free. You can do 2-step zaps, and you can log emails and forms to sheets within Zapier. Totally free forever. Our second tool will be Make.com. This is a visual drag and drop router similar to Zapier with some different functionality. They'll give you 1,000 free credits every single month. And in the free version, this is the better tool for branching workflows where you need it to make decisions and go in different directions. Number 4 is N8N, the self-hosted version. It's a free self-hostable workflow for sensitive data. You can put it on your own cloud and it will run all the processes that Make and Zapier are doing, but with the extra security of not having it on someone else's server. Node-RED is a totally open source version of Zapier Make N8N. It requires some additional development. It's a little less user-friendly as open source tools tend to be, but it's super lightweight and it gets the job done. And again, free forever and nobody has your data. And lastly, Airbyte OSS. This includes over 600 free connectors that you can use to sync into a database from your other systems. Of all the tools here, Airbyte has the most connections and can work with the most systems, meaning whatever tool you're working on at work, you can probably get data out of it using Airbyte. This is Zapier. It's a workflow automation tool. It's one of the best known out there. It can do AI workflows, AI agents. It can build chatbots, use tables. Such a powerful tool. And again, being one of the best established, it has a lot of connections to different tools you might use, and it will use AI to help write your workflows. The most important part for this is the free version. So yes, there's a lot of premium versions that'll give you all kinds of bells and whistles, but as it says right here, there's a free version with 100 tasks per month, AI-powered workflows, totally free forever. Definitely a tool not to be missed. This is Make.com. Just like Zapier, it's a workflow automation tool. Make takes a slightly different tack than Zapier. It's very visual. It's super easy to work with. It's super approachable. It's probably the most approachable of any of these tools for someone just getting started with automation. Just like Zapier, there's now AI tools built right in. There's all kinds of use cases you can use across different functions. There's us sitting right there in finance. So many different things, but of course, for this video, most important is the free version. This is a free version forever. You'll get 1,000 credits a month. As you pay, you just get more credits, a few more functions, but you can build a ton of automations with this free version up to 1,000 credits a month and get a lot of work done. Also think about the fact you could combine your credits from Zapier and Make and get even more done because you can use your 100 workflows in Zapier and your 1,000 credits in Make. Next, we've got N8N. The great thing about N8N is you don't have to worry about credits. You don't have to worry about counting tasks or workflows. You can run this unlimited. The slight downside to that is you have to do a lot more development and understand the tool a bit more. So it's not as beginner friendly as the other ones, but it's probably the most powerful because it can do everything that these really powerful, really developed tools can do. It's free forever. It has a fair use license. We can go here to pricing and see exactly what that looks like. So we come to pricing. We want to talk self-hosted. N8N sells a lot of versions that will be hosted on the cloud or sells a version that they'll set up for you. But don't get scared away by seeing prices here. Just scroll down. What you're looking for is the community edition. The community edition is totally free forever. And look how many features it has compared to business and enterprise. A few less bells and whistles, but you can get a ton done. Unlike the other tools, like I said, you get unlimited workflows, max saved executions, maximum log retention. You just have to have a place to host this, but it is so incredibly powerful. Up next, we've got Node-RED. This is a great tool. It's a low-code programming tool to collect, transform, and visualize real-time data. It's a little less user-friendly than any of the tools we looked at so far, but it is completely open source. It's the first truly open source tool that we've looked at. You'll see there's not even a button up here that I can take you to for pricing because it's open source. It's totally free. You can run it locally on a device in the cloud, and it's going to do some incredible workflow management and transformation for you. This is Airbyte. It's a data management tool that has connections to over 600 database sources and data sources that you can use to bring data around different systems to manage it for your business. The best thing about this tool is the stability of the connections, the number of connections, and how easily it will integrate with single sign-on to make data movement a breeze. If we go to the pricing tab, again, this is a product where there's a lot of different versions. They'll sell you a cloud version that they'll manage. There's a lot of different bells and whistles you can get, but the open source version, if you source it, if you want full control over your data pipeline, you can deploy this open source free forever. Have any questions so far? Go ahead and leave them down in the comments. I read and respond to every single comment, and I'm more than happy to help. Here are free tools to clean and transform data. You've got Google Sheets plus the app script within Google. This will let you write your own APIs, schedule refreshes, clean tables, do anything you need to in the Google Suite, totally automated. You've got Power Query. This is a tool built right into Excel. So few people are using this for how much value it adds. There's OpenRefine. It's a free desktop app that will help you clean messy data exports. And then there's DuckDB. This is SQLite for analytics. It can take massive files. It can do it locally on your computer without needing a server. It's kind of like a free version of Ultrax, which is the big expensive tool out there. And for most people, it really gets the job done. Up next is Google Apps Script. This is a really underutilized feature. It's built right into the Google Suite. If you have access to the Google Suite, you have access to this. It allows you to move things around just like Power Automate does in the Microsoft world, although that's a paid tool. This allows you to move data around. It allows you to build your own custom apps. It does require some development. I've got some great videos you can take a look at on how to use vibe coding or AI tools to write the code, but it's so powerful because it's a free automation tool anywhere within the Google apps and the environment. So definitely not something to overlook. If your company is based in Google, this will be your best friend. Our next one is Power Query. It's so free and available, it doesn't even have a website. I literally had to pull up the how-to guide on Microsoft. Hopefully you're aware of Power Query. If not, I have a ton of videos on it. I'll post one up here to just Power Query. At the end of the video, I'll tell you about one that goes through Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power BI. But you do not want to miss this. You don't need to download anything, click any buttons. Just come to the Data tab, come to Get and Transform Data, and this section right here is Power Query. It is a phenomenal data management tool that can pull from all of these different sources. It can transform the data. It's, again, built right into Excel. You already have it. If you take nothing else away from this video, make sure you're using Power Query. Up next is OpenRefine. It's like, let's say, Power Query, except not built into Excel. This is a fantastic and totally open source tool that you can use to work with advanced data sets. Kind of again along the lines of Power Query, but outside of Excel, or along the lines of kind of a light version of Ultrax without the massive price tag. Definitely something you don't want to miss. Has some fantastic work through clustering, reconciling databases, Hello Bank reconciliations, faceting, just so many different functions all available. This is where it's a little bit fancier than Power Query, is it doesn't just have the data side, it actually has some workflows to clean and transform the data already built in. This is DuckDB. It's an open source Python library, so you'll need to have some experience with coding or know somebody who does. But the great thing is the library will handle all the work. So you just need to know the basic Python to kick it off and start it running. Again, I've got some great videos on how you can use AI for all of your coding needs. But this is a phenomenal tool for transformation, has all of the power and functionality of Python. You can run it with other Python libraries, totally free, totally open source. If you're working with large quantities of data, take the time to learn and set this up because you'll be blown away with the capabilities, and no one would ever buy an Ultrax license again after seeing what DuckDB can do. Interested in any of the tools you've seen so far? If you'd like me to do a full in-depth tutorial on the ones I haven't already covered, just let me know down in the comments. I'm more than happy to cover it so you can know how to use these tools step by step. Here are 4 tools to help you visualize and share insights, again, totally free. Power BI Desktop, a lot of people think it's paid. Desktop is actually totally free. It only costs money or requires your company to have a subscription if you're going to use the cloud to share. But you can build dashboards, build proof of concepts, build personal products on Power BI Desktop totally free. There's also Looker Studio. This does let you share. It's a little bit less powerful than Power Query, but it's totally free forever and integrates really nicely with the Google world. There's Metabase OSS. You can self-host your own dashboards. You can connect with email and Slack to send reports out. Again, a little less user-friendly than the first tools, but free forever. And it's self-hosted, meaning you don't have to worry about security. And lastly, there's Apache Superset. It's an open source business intelligence tool. It has a SQL-first dashboard. Again, requires some more development, requires some more time on the product, but totally free and can be hosted locally. Up next is Power BI Desktop. A lot of people think Power BI costs money. That's because you can't share reports without having a license. But honestly, my personal preference, I think Power BI is the best visualization tool out there. I might just be really biased because it kind of has similar functionality and features to Excel and Power Pivot, but I love working in Power BI, and the desktop version is totally free. You can get a lot of benefit even without sharing dashboards out of having your own personal tools that you can use to automate your variance analysis, your month-end reporting. You can get a lot of value out of Power BI. It is totally free. You can download it now. I'll show you on pricing what I mean. You can get a totally free account. You just can't share. After that, You can get a Power BI Pro or Premium user with extra bells and whistles. A lot of companies already have this in their Office 365 subscription and don't even know it, and people aren't even using it. But desktop is totally free forever. Download it and start visualizing. If you need the capabilities to share reporting to really get the most benefit, then Looker Studio should be your go-to. Looker Studio has a lot of the same functionality as tools like Power BI and Tableau, but it's totally free forever. It has some fantastic integrations within Google as well as outside of Google, but within Google to things like BigQuery, to things like Google Sheets, has some fantastic integrations that let you work with the data also in a free environment. I highly recommend this tool. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles of the paid tools, but you can share reports. You can share them automatically with subscriptions, which everybody else charges for. This is not to be missed. Whether you're working in a Google environment or not, you do not want to miss this tool if you want sharing capabilities and dashboarding totally free. Metabase is a data visualization tool along the lines of the Tableaus and the Power BIs, but it's got a really great free version. It takes some more development, it takes some more coding, but it has an open source version that you can deploy on your computer, on your server, without spending a dime. And that makes it the most powerful of all of them because you get all the functionality and features. You don't have to worry about your data as long as you know how to set it up and can spend the time on it. I'll show you on the pricing tab. Here's the open source version, free forever. Again, like a lot of the tools we're seeing, there's more versions with bells and whistles, or they'll host it on the cloud for you. But if you want the open source version, if you're okay running it, it is free forever on your own infrastructure. Similar to Metabase, we've got Apache Superset. It's an open source data exploration and visualization platform. To me, it honestly feels very similar to Tableau. You can kind of see that in this dashboard view. It's got kind of that Tableau feel. The great thing is because it's open source, it is totally free code. You can edit the code if you want to customize it for your business needs, but you can download this, you can deploy it. There's a gallery of visualizations. People create visualizations for this open source. People create visualizations paid. There's just so much you can do with this. Again, it takes some development. You have to know how to deploy it, whether that's on your computer or on a server. You have to know how to deploy it, but it is so powerful. And because it's open source, you can do whatever you need to it to get it to work with your other systems. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I post a new video like this every single week, and I don't want you to miss a thing. And lastly, finance is still obsessed with PDFs, even though they're so dang hard to work with. So there's two tools to extract data from that. We've got Tabula. It's a free user interface to extract tables from text-based PDFs. Super old school, but it gets the job done. And then there's Camelot, which is a Python library you can use to repeatedly extract data from PDFs if you get the same files every month. Our next tool is Tabula. As you can see on the page, this is very basic. There's no pricing page for me to take you to. It's a quick download. It's an open source platform that allows you to extract data from PDFs. You just download your version for Windows, Mac, or GitHub, and it starts working. Doesn't get more simple and basic than that, but knowing how hard it is sometimes to get data out of PDFs, seriously, why are we still emailing people PDFs? Please don't do that if you have the option, but it's a great, fast tool, does exactly what it says it does, extracts data from PDFs reliably. And our last tool is Camelot. This is PDF table extraction, but it's PDF table extraction that you can set up to run automatically. That's because just like DuckDB, Camelot is a Python library. So you need to know a little bit of coding, just like with DuckDB, but you can set it up to automatically extract data from any PDF that you point it to, and it will run that process again and again. And if you want to feed it into a forecast or feed it into a Python model, you can do that right in line. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my video on Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power BI. It's a stack that can automate probably 70 to 80% of your personal workflow. It's totally free, sitting right in Excel, ready for you to use. I'm going to put the link to that video right here. I'm going to teach you the basics of all three tools in 45 minutes. Even if you've never opened these tools up, within 45 minutes, you'll be up and running. I'll catch you over there. This is Mike signing off from F9 Finance. Cheers.